Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with an update on what's going to continue to be a very warm, if not hot, and dry weather pattern here. As today we have seen temperatures warm into the low to middle 80s already early this afternoon under a sunny sky, and we likely will continue to see plenty of sunshine here for the next few days. Looking at the overall pattern, watching a disturbance right in here, which is moving away from the ArkLaTex. We have this large upper level ridge, which is going to continue to keep us rather hot and very dry for the rest of this week. We do, however, still have some changes on the way for maybe the last half of next week. Robin started the Futurecast shows that we will stay mostly clear tonight. Tomorrow I expect plenty of sunshine. Might see a few clouds mix again over the northern sections of the area. Futurecast does show a small chance of rain, but I doubt that we'll see much of anything in our area, as most of us will continue to see a clear to partly cloudy sky Wednesday night, and again lots of sunshine across the region for Thursday. Now, as far as the longer range weather picture, it does appear as if we are looking at the possibility for some rain for the last half of next week. You can see the upper level ridge maintaining itself as we go through the rest of this week. This particular model does show a shot for some rain northern edge of the area this weekend, but most of us will stay dry, and if you do see some rain in those areas, it won't be much. And this model's still very pessimistic as far as rain next week. The majority of the longer range models do show some. In fact, if you look at the blend of models moving forward, you can see it shows that still a half an inch to an inch possible from I-20 and points north. As you move to the southern sections of the area, temperatures likely will be closer to a quarter of an inch if the model blend is correct. Looking at some of the different models which make up the blend, and you can see still a great deal of uncertainty and disagreement within the models on how much, although have seen a bit of a trend on some of the models towards drier in Shreveport. Again, pretty much dry in Natchitoches with rainfall very limited, and it still appears as if we do see that inch of rain, it will be over the northern sections of the area here. Now we still have, of course, the burn bans across the area. Just a handful of counties and parishes left that do not have a burn ban yet, and we have not seen any changes to the burn ban list so far today. So your forecast for tonight, once again, is looking mostly clear. It will not be as cool, as we'll see a low in Shreveport near 60, 58 degrees in Texarkana, 57 in Marshall, and 55 in Natchitoches. Tomorrow, lots of sunshine. Record high for tomorrow's date in Shreveport, 92. We'll see a high tomorrow at 91. We very well could tie or even break that record tomorrow. That's within the realm of possibility. High temperature in Texarkana will be 90, 90 in Marshall, 90 also for the high in Natchitoches. And your 10-day forecast shows that temperatures will ease into the mid to upper 80s this weekend. Lows will stay in the low 60s. Notice that chance of rain beginning next Wednesday, probably reaching its peak Thursday night, and then we'll see it begin to wind down Friday. Again, there's still some uncertainty as to the amount of rain and the exact timing of that rain, given the fact that it's still more than a week away. But nonetheless, still looks promising that we'll see at least some rain across the ArkLaTex late next week. Until then, rather hot and dry weather will continue for the ArkLaTex as we close out this week and head into the weekend.